So hello everybody, and thank you for joining me today. Now if the sound is pretty bad here, it's because I'm in the gym on the treadmill and sound's sort of bouncing off the wall. But I'm on the treadmill. I haven't fully collected my thoughts yet, but I figured I needed to go ahead and give you a heads up as to what's happening. So over the weekend I created another YouTube channel, and it's for those of you who have expressed interest or shown some interest into how I trade and that kind of thing. So I created the other channel. You can migrate right on over there and take a look at that. Now it is a new channel. It's called, because I'm so creative with my YouTube channel names, Night Trade with Steve. Why? Because I'm Steve and I trade at night. So there you go, keeping it simple. Anywho, if you just type that in, I doubt YouTube it'll pop up because, it's new and you know how it is. Anyway. So I will put a link in the description below so that you can find it pretty easily. I'm hoping that'll work. But what I've done is I created, so far, I think it's 7 videos. I got one more to do. I've done 7 videos to show you, if you're interested, cool, how to get started, how to set up an account, how to create charts, how to customize charts, how to practice. And then I created a video that shows you what I believe, or what I term the easiest trade you'll ever make. It's simple, it's repeatable. If you're smarter than a 5th grader, you can do it, right? So that's what I do. That's the only trade that I do. But I created that, and then I created videos that'll give you a 90-day look back on how the trade sets up, how often it sets up, when it's successful, and then when it's not, because it's important that we be honest with where we are in whatever we're doing. So that's there. You can go over there and check it out. If you are a seasoned veteran trading for years, it's cool. Come on over, check me out. Let me know what you think. If you are new at trading, I think some of you said that you're brand new at it and you'd like to see more. So that's why I'm doing this as well. And then for those who just have a passing interest, who just go, well, what is this trading thing all about? You can check that out, take a look, tell me what you think. But either way, I just believe that even though I'm retired, I should still be productive in some shape, form, or fashion. So when I got down here, I started trying to figure it out. And lo and behold, it took me a whole year to really, or not quite a year, but just about a year to find this and figure it out. But you'll see what I mean when you go over there and check out the very first video. I'll tell you my story there. It's only about, 8-10 minutes, something like that. But anyway, there's 7 videos now. I got one more to do. And I'm going to do that over the next couple of days because it's going to take a little bit of work to create that last video. But anyway, they will all be up at the very latest on Saturday, because I have the 7 videos that I've done uploaded already, and they're all slated to be made to go live on Saturday around noon. Then I got this other one I got to insert. If I get it done sooner, then it might come up as early as Thursday or Friday, but don't bet on it. It's probably going to be more like Saturday because, hey, I'm retired. I'm not looking for a job. Just looking to have fun, enjoy myself, stay active, and keep this old thing between my ears, piping, and keep it running, because if you don't, it'll shut down. Anywho, just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. That's all this is. I'll see you guys later. I'm out here in the gym. Oh, and by the way, this is the view I get when I'm at the treadmill, looking out the window. Looks sort of like that. That's looking toward the front of the complex, so that what you see up there behind, well, you can't see it, but it's behind those trees. That's the gate where people drive in, and yeah, so that's what's going on with that. But I'm just here living this good life, doing the best I can with it because it's the only one I got. And hey, you do the same because it's your life. So make it a good one. Many blessings.